The dream of flight is as old as humanity itself. For centuries, we looked at the birds and felt a sense of jealousy. We built planes to sit inside them. We built drones to watch them from a screen, but we never truly felt what it was like to be a bird. Until now. The FPV revolution has changed everything. But for a long time, that revolution came with a massive barrier to entry. It was expensive, it was complicated, and it required gear that felt like it was designed for NASA engineers rather than everyday enthusiasts. But DJI has been working in the shadows. They have been listening to the pilots who want simplicity without sacrificing the thrill. And the result of that silence is the DJI Goggles N3. This isn't just a new pair of headsets. It is a gateway. It is a device that is designed to take the average person off the ground and throw them into the sky with a clarity and ease that we have never seen before. Today, we are going beyond the box. We are diving into the optics, the transmission protocols, and the radical comfort-first engineering that makes the Goggles N3 the most important release in the drone world this year. If you have ever wanted to fly but felt intimidated by the tech, or if you are a pro looking for the ultimate backup rig, you need to hear this. We are uncovering every secret of the DJI Goggles N3, and by the end of this, you will realize that the sky is no longer the limit. It is your new playground. To understand why the N3 is causing such a stir in the US market, we have to talk about the digital divide. In the FPV world, you usually have two choices: high-end, incredibly expensive goggles like the Goggles 3 or cheap, analog box goggles that feel like you're watching a grainy television from the 1970s. The Goggles N3 is the bridge. It is the first time DJI has brought their legendary O4 digital transmission technology into a form factor that is accessible to the masses. We are talking about a 1080p ultra-smooth live feed with latency, so low that your brain actually begins to believe your body is moving through the air. This isn't just watching a video, it is a neurological trick. When you tilt your head and the drone mimics that movement, the immersion is so total that the world around you simply disappears. Let's talk about the big screen experience. One of the biggest complaints with compact goggles is the tunnel vision effect. That feeling like you're looking through a pair of binoculars. The Goggles N3 takes a different approach. By utilizing a high-quality single-panel LCD design, they have created a massive field of view that feels like sitting in the front row of an IMAX theater. But it's not just about size, it's about the optics. DJI has engineered a lens system that minimizes distortion at the edges, meaning your peripheral vision is just as sharp as the center. For a pilot navigating through a tight forest or under a bridge, this spatial awareness is the difference between a cinematic masterpiece and a catastrophic crash. But power and optics are useless if you can't wear the headset for more than 10 minutes. In the USA, we have a saying that comfort is king, and DJI took that to heart. The Goggles N3 features a radical new balanced weight headband. Instead of all the pressure sitting on the bridge of your nose, which has been a nightmare for drone pilots for years, the battery is strategically placed at the back of the head. This creates a perfect 50-50 weight distribution. You can fly for hours through multiple battery swaps, and forget you're even wearing a headset. Combined with